Hello, welcome back to my channel again. Initial of earn. If you want to earn from home like I do, so make sure this is the channel. Only subscribe it and click the bell button for more notification. Have a good day. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel with another video. First of all guys, if you're not subscribed my channel, just go to the subscribe button and smash there and click the bell button for more notification. You can also check my recent videos that I uploaded about free earning online. You can also check out my playlist. Okay, so today guys I will give you the golden key update. So golden key update is that how you can scale your craft. Okay, so if you don't know how to work on this click on playlist and check out a golden key playlist. Is 8 videos about golden keys coming through, how to work on it, how to increase your energy, learn how to increase your field. Okay, everything you can find. Okay, so now let's go to the topic. So we're updating you about layers of the site, how you can scale your craft, how to dig and plant Scarecrow in the field. So first of all, we're gonna check out this news. So what is that? So this is the news is 8 like I guess 2019 is the updating. With the updating friends, we release a portion of updates on our project. We added the Scarecrow. Okay, so what is this? This is Scarecrow. Okay, this is a device to protect crops from flocks of birds. Okay, how you can protect this? So once a day, a flock of birds can attack the field and pet part of your crop from uncollected leaves. A Scarecrow prevent an attack and preserve your crop and food. Okay, birds are about to arrive from distant land. According to our forecast, they will arrive in a few days. Okay, so hurry up to put the Scarecrow if your field is already fully planted with bushes. Okay, so bushes, and there is if you so here's my field. So it is already full with the full with the bushes. Okay, so what they're saying. Okay, if your field is already fully planted with bushes and there is no free space on it, you can easily dig out a bush and sell it for coins through our sport service. So we have added the dig button on the playing field. Okay, it allows you to dig out your game elements, bushes, Scarecrow back into inventory with the possibility of landing in a new place. Ahead are waiting for you waiting for interesting updates. Thank you for being with us. Okay, so here is the playing field. So I want to purchase. Just go to store and here is the Scarecrow you can buy. Okay, protect crop. So is the next update is god dog. So I will make video again on this god dog. Protect against thieves attack. Okay, so is the price. So I will uh, make a video on this update June. So just stay tuned. Okay, so I just click on buy. So make sure guys you have 20,000 coin in your coin balance. So this I have already many coins. So I just click on buy. So you can see Scarecrow has been successfully barred in quantity of 1. Okay, so I just click on game. So as you can see, I just have Scarecrow to plant in the field. So I just simply dig some of one bushes in the field. So here is the option, dig out your bushes. Okay, so I just click on the center of the field. Okay, so no, I just click on this and dig. Okay, so make sure you click okay. So here you can see is a free space, so I can plant this. Okay, so guys, I just planted this Scarecrow to protect my fuck up birds that can attack on your fields. Okay, so click on, so I can sell this bush. And how to sell this bush uh, in the sports service, so I will also make this video so about this, how to sell that your bush. Okay, so thank you guys, thank you so much for having on my video. Please like me, share me, and comment me in the comment section that what you want, what kind of video you want. So thank you so much for appreciating on my video. Bye bye, have a good day.